Okay, today I'm going to start with this side now, but I've decided I'm going to start in the front side. So I'm going to paste the wall after this here. I'm going to towels. I'm going to paste on the drawers in front here before I put the top on. So I'm going to do that now first. The house on top, yeah, but I actually forgot to buy double-sided tape like I used with the big one. So I'm just going to use my old faithful glue gun to glue it on top and hope it will stay there. So yeah, it's a bit more difficult to glue gun because it dries quickly, but hopefully I'm gonna have success. So let's try that, start with that. I say, okay, now I can start with this. I was thinking of put grass here as well, but I'm really not going to worry about this little piece. It will come off or stay for now. I must stay with, because this is still a work in progress. So yeah, I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to start on this side now. So you can do the same as this side and oh yeah, and the back side, of course. Okay, so this is going to stay the same, the leather, because it was obviously outside. I'm just going to change this thing, take this off and change that, and replace it with this one. And then I'm going to paste this paper up against, yeah, like on that side there. So yeah, let's start with it. Okay, and there's the side panel finished. So it's now just the back side for now. Okay, so I've totally another idea of this side here. It's actually the only side I didn't have to replace the leather. Now I'm going to take it out, but I'm still going to use this corner, so that's why I neated it nicely off with the leather as well. Just neaten this corner because I actually got this. You can see it's like planter thing. And I've got an idea of you. I'm just going to take off all this plant. I don't want the plants, I just actually want the wood. But my idea is to use this as the side here of the lapa. So to open it up more, because it's a patio, it's an open side. So then so air can come through. But I'm still going to figure out how I'm going to do it here underneath and even on top. But if I start doing it, I'm going to start here and do it, and maybe leave a pillar also here on the side here, just to give it stability, and then put that in here. So that's why I'm not going to do anything to this wall here. And I actually decided I'm only going to use this large piece here at the back and finish the back off, because I'm only going to put this on the wood side for now, because I don't know what I'm going to do here still yet. I don't know, so I'm not going to let it straight up till there. So because yeah, I'm just going to do it on the wood. So I'm going to use the offcuts for this siding. I can't believe I actually had enough for this side as well. So now all around this piece is also finished now. I'm going to change this now. Well, this is my last wall, so I'm going to finish the last wall. So this is the next thing I'm going to do, but because this is going to have some figuring out what to do and all that stuff, I'm going to do this in the next episode. But yeah, so now I can actually put my oh, I didn't cut this drawer yet here. Yes, okay. So yeah, now I can put the stuff in there that needs to be in here, and then my house can come together then. Yeah, I think that's enough for today. So in the next episode, I'm gonna do this wall here on the side. With, like I said, I'm gonna use this thing. I'm just gonna take off this. I don't want this. I just want the wood. I just want the wood side, not the sleeves. And then I will start to try and put it together, because I must still figure out what I'm going to use here. But yeah, then I must put the house. Can I put the house together at last? So yeah, and there we go. So I'm finished for now. So until next time, bye.